Igbo kwenu, Igbo mama no. Taa bụ abalị nke 14 n'ọnwa nke 9 n'afọ 2022 ka nwa bụ nwaada Adaeze Onoja asị unu nnọọ n'ihe omume anyị nke taa n'asụsụ Igbo. Anyị ga-eleba anya n'aha na-edo obi a na-akpọ ụmụ nwanyị n'ala Igbo. Aha na-edo obi, heart melting names. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today being the 14th day in September in this year 2022. I welcome you all to my channel. I still remain Miss Adaeze Ono, a presenter on this channel. Thank you. Stick around, don't touch the dial, enjoy your view. Today we'll be looking at heart-melting names for women. Heart-melting names for women. If you're a white man and you're married to an Igbo woman, this video is for you. If you're also an Igbo man married to a white woman, and the white woman, she needs to hear our language, always play this video and my other videos. Play for her so that she will get used to her husband's language. Very, very important. Very, very important. Adima, let's go into today's activity. The first heart-melting name on my list is Anyanwụ Ụtụtụ. Anyanwụ Ụtụtụ. Anyanwụ Ụtụtụ means the morning sun. Very bright and cool. The morning sun. Very bright and cool. Anyanwụ Ụtụtụ. The morning sun. Okay, adịmma. Ọzọ na-esote ya bụ nwanyị ọma. Nwanyị ọma. A very good woman. A very, very good woman. With a very beautiful heart. Nwanyị ọma. If you're a woman and your husband calls you nwanyị ọma, just know that you're the best. Adịmma. Ọzọ bụ ezigbo m. Ezigbo m. Ezigbo means my genuine, my original, ezigbo m. Adịmma. Ọzọ bụ apụ n'anwụ. Apụ n'anwụ. Apụ n'anwụ means apụ n'anwụ. Apụ n'anwụ. A lady that doesn't go under the sun, a lady that doesn't need stress, a lady that doesn't have to, work so hard, apụ n'anwụ. Oh, you need to understand. You need to understand this apụ n'anwụ and read me into it. Ọzọ bụ ọmalịcha m. Ọmalịcha m. Ọmalịcha means my beautiful one. My beautiful one. Ọmalịcha m. My beautiful one. Some people call some people this name, and once they are called this name, it melts their hearts. Ọmalịcha m, they belong. They feel they are just there and no one else. Ọmalịcha m. My personal ọmalịcha. Okay, another one is ugogbe oyibo. Ugogbe oyibo means my white man's mirror. Let me explain better. This means that the white men don't know how beautiful they look until they look at you. Ugogbe oyibo. Ugogbe oyibo. A beauty to behold. Ọzọ, another one is enenebe jolu. Enenebe jolu. Enenebe jolu means the one that you keep staring at and you would get distracted and you would not go to work and you would not do anything reasonable except just looking at her. That kind of beauty. Enenebe jolu. Your beauty is a distraction of the century. Your beauty. If your husband calls you this name, Enenebejo, just know that your beauty is a major distraction to him. Hmm. Umu wana omo enenebejol. Umu wana omo enenebejol. Anegeli. Anatuza. Adima. Another one is Omuma Asaro. Omuma Asaro. Omuma Asaro means one that just goes to bed just to fulfill all righteousness. A naturally beautiful woman that really doesn't need to bath. Who said that you don't need to bathe? Keep bathing, no, bathe more than 5 times a day if possible. Now, Mama Sarah does not mean that you don't need to bathe. They're just complimenting your beauty. Mama Sarah, you just bathe, just for bathing sake. You don't find finish. Mama Sarah, no need to bathe, no need to make up. Babes, please, always bathe. Another one is Onwake Hihima. In my dialect, call it Onwake Shushima. Onwake Shushima. Onwake Hihima means the moon that is brighter and more beautiful than afternoon. Hmm, 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 hmm. The moon that is brighter and more beautiful than afternoon. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can imagine how beautiful this woman is. The woman that is called this name, I can imagine how beautiful she is. Another one is Opuriche Dinawai. Opuriche Dinawai means a rare species of woman. Opuriche Dinawai. A rare species of woman. Another one is Odaram Micham. Odaram Micham. Odaram Micham in Igbo. Odara is a very succulent fruit. Succulent fruit. Oh, juicy, so juicy. Udara micham. Oh. This one is a heart melting name. Oh, udara micham. Oh, oh my goodness. Udara micham. You're a lickable and succulent fruit. The one is akugum. Akugum. My eagle's egg. Everything about the eagle is beautiful. Beautiful. Let alone the egg. Akugum. My eagle's egg. Akugum. Akugum. Another one is Akwanwa. Akwanwa means a fragile beauty. A fragile beauty. You pamper her with tender love and care. Tender love and care. Akwanwa. Akwanwa, she doesn't need stress, so Akwanwa, she doesn't need, she's very fragile, very, very fragile. So you handle her with so much care and love. Akwanwa. Mmanụ aṅụ m. Mmanụ aṅụ m. Mmanụ aṅụ means honey, my honey, my honey, honey. Another one is otom. Otom means my sweet. Otom means my sweet one. Otom. Ototom, my sweetness. Ototom, my sweet one. Ototom, my sweet one. Otom, my sweetness. Ọzọ bụ otom. Otom in Igbo, otom is a fruit and it's something that you will lick, and when you're licking it, oh, you'll be enjoying it. Otom. So it means you're enjoyable. Otom. Otom. It means you're so enjoyable. Autumn. Rejoice. All the names I outlined here, all of them, If your husband calls you any of them, just rejoice. Just know that you are the only one in his life. No one else can replace you in his life. Kudos to our men that remember to call their wives these pet names. It melts our hearts as women. It melts our hearts hearing these names from us, these pet names. Please keep on calling us pet names, because call us by our pet names, because it melts our hearts and it gives us joy. Just as you derive joy when you're called by your pet names too. Please. So that will make this world a better place to dwell in. You understand? Life is sweet. Life is sweet when you live it the way it will sweeten you. Ndewonu. Daalụnụ. Eji m aka na m mụtara ihe nye mmanya nke ụbọchị taa. Wee na-arịọ gị bụ onye na-apịbeghị aka n'akara subscribe nke gị, biko pịara m aka n'akara subscribe, pịkwara m aka n'akara like. Biko ka ị na-esonye m n'ihe na-eme n'igwe onyonyo YouTube m. Pịkwa aka n'akara mgbịrịmgba, the bell button. Please click on the bell button so you get notifications each time I post a new video on this channel. Thank you very much for staying with me. Gị bụ onye afụrụ taa ka afụkwa gị echi. Mmiri atala ma azụ ahụ. Ka ọ dịnụ, ka emesịa.